Hello everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm looking at the absolutely stunning 8119, the 8119. This is their gorgeous one bedroom. This is in Highland Park, Texas. It's new, recently opened, and it's a treat for the eyes. We're now about to go into the one bedroom and bath. So this is part two. We're going to go explore that right now. This is what it looks like. Just simply beautiful. Floor to ceiling windows waiting for you with a king bed. Very, very delightful. Beautiful windows, beautiful views, all the light that's going to come in here and just make it a bright, sunny day for you anytime. Just gorgeous paint. It's a kind of a wheatish color walls, and then a really nice accent on the around the doors. Very pretty. This is what the bathroom looks like. This is a very large, wow, huge sink, dual sink. And then there's mirrors here, and there's beautiful shower, walk-in shower and bath that's here. It's gorgeous. The flooring is really pretty here too, very nice. And then here is the closet. The closet is gorgeous. It's big, lots of space, lots of storage. It's an alpha type storage in here, just super beautiful. This is what it looks like here in this gorgeous bathroom. And now we're gonna go back outside into the main area so you can see it again. Just a delightful, sumptuous apartment, and it's in Highland Park. Highland Park needed this kind of apartment, this kind of high-rise apartment that is typically found. Only a few of these are really in Dallas, this kind of luxury. And Highland Park, in my opinion, now has the best one, and it's this one. Send me a text. I'd like to get you a virtual tour or a live tour set up whenever you're ready. You can send me a text and request that. I can get that set up even as early as today. My number is below, and it's part of our free service. I look forward to hearing from you. I'm Grant.